Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine standing beside a tree older than your great grandparents. A tree that has seen over 100 summers, 100 monsoons, 100 winters. Now ask yourself, what stories would it tell if it could speak? As you slowly open your eyes, that tree you imagine, it's real and it may be standing somewhere near you even today. But the truth is, we often walk past these trees without ever noticing them. We see them as part of the background, just another plant, just another shade. But they are so much more than that. These trees are not just living beings, they are living timelines. Over 100 years ago, when our great grandparents were young, these trees were just tiny saplings, fragile, vulnerable. They didn't have protection, they didn't have anyone watering them daily. Yet they survived. They pushed through harsh summers, stood firm during heavy rains, and bent, but never broke in storms. Year after year, season after season, they kept growing quietly, patiently. No rush, no noise, no expectations, just growth. They have witnessed life in its purest form, children laughing and playing under their shade, lovers carving names on their bark, families gathering, sharing stories, and as those children grew older and those families changed, the tree remained unmoved, unchanged in its purpose to give. They gave shade to the tired, shelter to birds, food to countless creatures, and oxygen to all of us without asking for anything in return. Think about it. A tree that is over 100 years old has spent its entire life serving others. Not once did it complain, not once did it stop. In a world where everything is temporary, these trees stand as a symbol of patience, strength, and selflessness. They remind us that true greatness doesn't shout, it quietly grows over time. 100-year-old tree gives us something priceless: fresh oxygen, cooler air, protection from harsh sunlight. But more than that, they give us peace. Have you ever noticed how calm you feel sitting under a big tree? That's not just shade, that's nature healing you. They absorb carbon dioxide, fight global warming, and support entire ecosystems. One tree supports thousands of lives, and yet we often take them for granted. But not every story has a peaceful ending because today these silent guardians are in danger. The same trees that stood strong for over 100 years are now being cut down without a second thought. For wider roads, for taller buildings, for faster development, and somewhere along the way we forgot their value. A tree that took a century to grow is destroyed in just a few minutes. Just imagine that 100 years of life, 100 years of growth, 100 years of giving gone in seconds. No voice, no defense, just silence. And what's even more painful is that we have started calling this progress. But is it really progress? If it cost us the very air we breathe, every time an old tree falls, we lose more than just wood. We lose shade, we lose oxygen, we lose a home for birds and animals. We lose a part of our history. These trees have seen generations, but now they are not even given a chance to see tomorrow. And then we wonder why summers feel hotter than ever. Why stepping outside feels unbearable. Why cities feel like concrete jungles instead of living spaces. Why floods come suddenly and droughts last longer. The answer is right in front of us. We are removing the very system that kept nature in balance. We are cutting down our protectors and then struggling to protect ourselves. And the most heartbreaking part, many of us see it happening but choose to ignore it because it doesn't affect us immediately. But one day it will, because when the last old tree disappears, we won't just lose nature, we will lose a part of ourselves. Friends, I want to speak about global warming. Global warming is not just a topic, it's a reality we are living in. Rising temperatures, melting glaciers, unpredictable weather, and trees are one of the biggest solutions we already have. They reduce heat, store carbon, balance the environment. Imagine if every person planted just one tree and took care of it, the future could change. The, but planting is not enough. We must protect and nurture because a sapling today is a 100-year legacy tomorrow. You don't need to be an expert or have a big garden. Start small. Plant a tree in your surroundings, on your terrace, in your society, or even support plantation drives. Water it, care for it, watch it grow, and most importantly, teach others. Tell your children, your friends, your family why trees matter because change doesn't happen in a day. It happens when we all take one step together. Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a tree that's older than you or planted a tree yourself? Tell me in the comments. Would love to hear your story. Friends, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. So don't just watch, take action. Plant a tree, protect a tree, and respect a tree. If this video touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe to HuffTuber81. Let's go green and grow green and save our future. Happy gardening.